Welcome to watch the demonstration of Jinggong JG90Z excavator with Grapple. We are a leading and top professional manufacturer of multifunctional excavators in China for many years. Our excavator with Grapple wins lots of trust of our customers in China and overseas such as Philippines, Vietnam, Thailand, and Egypt etc. JG90Z is one of the most popular grapple wheel excavators of our company. As early as 2009, we had started our research and design of it. After years of careful innovation and trials, this excavator now shows excellent working efficiency and stable performance, contributing to a wide application in China and Southeast Asia. The grab has a 360 degrees rotation angle, which realized to save time and cost of loading woods, sugar canes or other similar materials. Thus it brings abundant social and economic benefits to clients.